Hi pre-Ks, happy Friday. We're going to finish our book today. Remember that you have a special page right after the beginning that has lots of practice for your name. It gets smaller and smaller, just like the kindergarten line. So when we're not working on our name and we start on page 21 like today, you can always start here, and I want you to practice that name a little bit every single day, especially that last name. Even though you won't have to write it on your paper in kindergarten, it's good practice. So today we're starting with page 21, 2-1. Make sure your pencils are ready, crayons and erasers. I needed mine yesterday, so that you are ready to work. Today we're working on the upper and lowercase f. Uppercase and lowercase, are they the same or different? Just a little different. The lowercase is curled at the top, where the uppercase F is straight. So start your uppercase F at the sky, go straight down to the grass real fast, drag it across the sky and across the airplane, and you've got a beautiful uppercase F. If it's a name like Frank, or a place like France, or the beginning of a sentence, or a title, you'll always see that uppercase letter. Any other word has the lowercase f. We start at the sky and curve down to the grass and across the airplane. That's the lowercase f for all the other words. Big F, little f. Fireman begins with the letter F. Put me on pause so you can do a good job on your F's. Page 22 is all about that bus we've been talking about this week. On the top has the word kindergarten. Even though most of you are going to different schools, you will still all be in kindergarten. So the first thing we're going to do is follow the dots and make the uppercase K for kindergarten. Then the lowercase I, and keep going all the way down to the N. Then we're using a lowercase letter line to make the school bus. Start at the A, it's down here I say. Drag your pencil to the B, drag your pencil to the C, look for the D, then drag. Look, then drag. Follow the letter line if you get confused from singing your alphabet. There's always a letter line to help you. Put me on pause while you finish your bus. And don't forget, you can color it yellow and black wheels, just like the buses we've been looking at this week. Next is page 23. We're on the letter G. Uppercase G, lowercase g. Good, grasshopper. Are they the same or different? They are very different. The uppercase G starts at the sky, circles down to the grass, up to the airplane, and in. That's for words that are a name like Greg, or a place like Graceland, or a title, or the beginning of a sentence. All other words use that lowercase g. Start at the airplane, circle down and back up, and it's one of our letters that goes down to the worm. Very few letters go down to the worm, no uppercase letters, but the lowercase g and j and q and p all go down to that worm. So we got to practice going down to the worm today. Do a great job on your upper lowercase g. Put me on pause while you finish, and we'll go to page 24. 24 is all about art class. You'll be going to art class at kindergarten just like you do at Pied Piper School, to a special room just to do art. This picture is a dot to dot and goes from the number 1 all the way till the number 20 through the terrible teens. So be very careful. Don't let those teens trick you. Start on the number 1, look for 2 and drag. Look for 3 and drag. Make sure when you get to the teens, go up to the number line so you can remember 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and end on 20. Put me on pause till we get to page 25. It's another school bus. This week was all about school bus fun, the things you can do on the school bus, how the school bus picks you up and drops you off. This is a great dot to dot showing us the school bus. Be careful, sometimes when you put it on the computer and it comes out, some of the numbers might be missing. I see 20 here, it's a little bit foggy. Oh, I see 21. You might have mom and dad help you rewrite in 22, 23, 24, and 25. They're up the sides of this bus. What a great school bus. Take your time on those tricky teens. Put me on pause, then come back for page 26. And this is the last page in our book this week about the school bus. It's a bus, but it doesn't look like a bus. Oh, that's because there's some cutout lines here. So the first thing you're going to do is color your school bus yellow. We saw the yellow school bus all week long, and the black wheels. And then you're going to take the paper and cut it out. We're going to cut on that dotted line, go around on the dotted line. There's the scissors right there. If you don't have any scissors at your house, Mom and Dad can stop by Piper School. We have a bin outside with our special helper scissors in it. Use the small little pair, up, down, up, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, up, down, up, down. It's so easy. Put your thumb on the top, pointer on the bottom, up, down, up, down. So you're going to cut on that dotted line, and then Mom and Dad can help you fold it. And you're going to have your very own school bus to remember all the fun things we did this week at Piper School. I'll never see you on the S days, Saturday and Sunday, but you'll be back next week. I wonder what we're going to be talking about next week. See you soon.